this weekend's open houses have been cancelled. Nestled in the sought-after Cape Story by the Sea community, this beautifully updated Craftsman beach cottage offers a true coastal lifestyle. With a charming front picket fence and inviting curb appeal, the home blends timeless character with modern upgrades. Residents enjoy direct access to scenic trails, community events in the park, and the convenience of nearby popular restaurants. Inside, the home features a large eat-in kitchen, a spacious primary bedroom with high ceilings and ensuite bathroom, 3 new HVAC units, and a detached garage complete with a home office and additional attic storage. 2 paver driveways provide ample parking, while the outdoor shower and meticulously landscaped yard enhance your beachside living experience. Spend your days soaking up the sun at the beach and your evenings unwinding with breathtaking sunsets.